Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our market volatility report. Stanislav, hello. Hello, all option pit roomies. Thank you for coming. Thank you for supporting our site and all of the goodies that we produce. Here's a blog. If you want to subscribe to our blog, just go down here. Go to the option pit page. Here, go down and subscribe, and you get the blog when I write it. I do 1 to 2 per week. That's it. This idea was what? Q vol is high, Apple vol is high. Historically, it's only done this a few times, surprisingly. And after it's had this crazy vol, it's gone on a long rampage higher. We can look at a trade this, and we'll look at that in our room today. What I would say is a more long-term trade, probably also in the vol newsletter class this evening. For those that are interested, we do a once-a-week volatility class, all vol all the time. For this morning, though, what do we have? This is what we have. Okay. See all this red? This is all underlyings that I watch that are displaying. They're in the top 20 percentile of realized vol. Crazy, crazy market that we have. Things are moving around like crazy. And to be honest, no signs of showing down. Amazon, 99 percentile for realized vol. Crazy, right? Almost anything you can imagine is at the top of the range, especially tech. Okay? So, given all that information, what do we do with it? UNG, another thing. Natural gas, flying. We'll look at that in our chat room today. Gas is flying, but oil's falling apart. Strange. We will look at basically trying to find clever ways to sell volatility in the SPX. SPX is going down. However, we only have a tepid move in VIX and the vol futures. VXX is only down 50 cents. VIX itself is barely buying this move up. I hate to say it that almost every rally is favorable, but it sure seems like that if we take a look at VIX. Okay. Right. VIX is down, fractionally. Okay, barely. So, we have a healthy, let's just call it a bounce this morning. We'll see if it holds up. Is it more fun if it holds up? Sure. There's still long-term opportunities? Sure. Until we have conclusion on trade, until, the rate picture looks kind of square and Italy's making a mess in Europe, those things keep hurting equity prices. So there's a lot more things that were on our calendar that have not really come off the calendar. So around a trade date, we are looking at, again, in the vol newsletter, trades around November 30th because we do have trade talks there. I got to get this back to just 1 year, right? VXX amazingly up on the year, right? 35. I think we started the year here. VXX up $4 this year, $6. A great performer. So I don't expect a drop in vol to last for very long. It will only last as long as the market kind of holds up. So what's doing well? Retail. What's doing poorly? Oil. And I think trades that are not necessarily around the money, short vol type trades like iron condors, it's rare that there's a great environment for them, but I think it's right now. Pick your tech stock or pick your SPX, and we'll go over how to hedge that with VIX. All right, everybody. I don't think today will be a whole lot different than any other day. We have a little bit of a rally. There's no reason for it to hold on, and then things just kind of putter out. So with that, you all have a good day. I will see you in the chat room and option pit in about an hour and 10 minutes. You guys have a nice day.